How to put your Cash App card on your phone. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can put your Cash App card or cash card on your phone. So in order to activate cash card on your phone, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and open up your Cash App application. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the home icon, look here right at the bottom. Then go ahead and click the card image. After that, it's going to show you this kind of interface. Now first of all, go ahead and enable or toggle the button for both of these, that is enable cash card as well as show cash card info, and then lastly click on activate cash card button. As soon as you've done that, give Cash App permission to access your phone's camera and all that. Now aim at the QR code to scan the card, and after that the card will be activated automatically. Along with that, you'll also be asked to set a PIN and make sure to create a 4-digit PIN for the transaction purpose, and then you've successfully activated your cash card. So that's how you can put your Cash App card on your phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.